Here's a question: what do you get when you mix ancient temples, cherry blossoms, and a dash of timeless romance? The answer: Kyoto, Japan. Now let's embark on a journey to this enchanting city that has been captivating hearts for centuries. Imagine a place where time seems to stand still, where you can sip on traditional matcha tea in quaint tea houses, and where cherry blossoms paint the city pink every spring. Kyoto, the city of 1,000 temples, is a beautiful blend of the old and the new, where ancient traditions seamlessly coexist with modernity. It's a city that whispers tales of love and valor from every corner, every stone, and every leaf. Picture yourself strolling hand in hand with your beloved through serene gardens, under a canopy of cherry blossoms, with the gentle rustle of leaves as your background music. Now, who wouldn't want to honeymoon in a place where history and romance dance in perfect harmony? Imagine sipping tea in a traditional tea house, where love brews as strong as the tea itself. Kyoto, the cultural heart of Japan, is teeming with these charming tea houses, each one steeped in history and tradition, much like the tea they serve. Nestled in the heart of Kyoto, these tea houses are an emblem of an era gone by. They whisper tales of ancient love, of samurais and geishas, of clandestine meetings and timeless romance. Here, the walls have been silent spectators to countless love stories, each one as unique as the tea leaves used to brew the perfect cup. Now let's not forget the tea ceremonies, a cultural staple that has played Cupid for many couples. Picture this: a tranquil tea house, a serene tea ceremony, two people sharing an intimate moment. The simplicity of the ceremony, the tranquility of the surroundings, it's all too easy to fall in love. But it's not all about the tea and the romance. There's a lighter side to these tea houses, a side that's full of laughter and mirth. You see, not everybody is adept at the art of the tea ceremony. There are tales, humorous anecdotes really, of couples fumbling with tea whisks, spilling tea, or simply struggling to sit in the traditional seiza position. It's these shared blunders, these lighthearted moments that often serve as the foundation for many a love story. And let's not forget the role of matcha in all of this. Matcha, the powdered green tea, is a favorite among couples. Legend has it that sharing a bowl of matcha is akin to sharing a life together, a bond as strong as the tea itself. So, whether it's the historic charm of the tea houses, the tranquility of the tea ceremonies, or the humor in the shared blunders, it's clear that love brews strong in Kyoto. Each sip of tea is a sip of love, each tea house a testament to timeless romance. So next time you're sipping on your Earl Grey, remember it could be a lot more romantic in Kyoto. Picture this, walking hand in hand under a canopy of cherry blossoms. Nature's own love notes. Now isn't that a scene straight out of a romantic movie? But guess what, it's not just real life, it's real life in Kyoto. In Japan, cherry blossoms, or sakura, as they are lovingly called, are more than just pretty pink flowers. They are a symbol of life's fleeting beauty, a reminder to cherish each moment. Just like love, they are beautiful, delicate, and oh so brief. So, when you're in Kyoto, make sure to take a leisurely stroll under these blooming beauties. Now let's talk about the best spots to see these natural love notes in Kyoto. The Philosopher's Path is one such place, a scenic walk along a canal lined with hundreds of cherry trees. It's a favorite among couples, and why wouldn't it be? It's like walking in a pink wonderland. Another must-visit spot is the Grand Heian Shrine with its sprawling garden that boasts an impressive array of cherry trees. And let's not even get started on the Maruyama Park, the oldest park in Kyoto. It's like nature decided to throw a pink party and invited everyone. Now here's a funny thing. Have you ever noticed how couples start to resemble each other after a while? It's the same with cherry blossoms. You start off as two individuals, and before you know it, you're blooming together, creating a beautiful spectacle for all to admire. But remember, just like love, cherry blossoms are not forever. They bloom, they fill the world with their beauty, and then they fall, leaving behind memories of a beautiful spring. So while you're there, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of these fleeting flowers. Remember, love blooms where cherry blossoms flourish. And hey, who knows? Maybe those love notes from nature might just be for you. Ever wondered where you could find love in a leaf? Well, Kyoto's serene gardens have the answer. Imagine strolling hand in hand with your partner through these tranquil havens, where every leaf seems to whisper tales of love. The gardens of Kyoto are not just patches of greenery, they are living, breathing pieces of history, each telling a story more enchanting than the last. For centuries, these gardens have been an integral part of Japanese culture, a symbol of harmony and balance. The meticulously maintained landscapes, with their carefully positioned rocks and ponds, mirror the principles of Zen Buddhism, teaching us the art of living in the present. And what could be more romantic than celebrating love in the here and now? Speaking of romance, these gardens have seen it all. From shy first dates to golden anniversaries, from surprise proposals to peaceful retirements. Just imagine the countless couples who've stolen kisses behind the bamboo groves, or the lovers who've etched their initials in the bark of a cherry blossom tree. It's like these gardens are a silent witness to every love story that has unfolded in their embrace. And then, there are the humorous interactions. Picture this, a husband trying to impress his wife by identifying all the different types of trees, only to have a local gardener politely correct him, or a wife teasing her husband for not being able to find the exit even with a map. These gardens with their winding paths and hidden corners seem to bring out the childlike wonder in everyone, creating memories that last a lifetime. So pack those bags and let love guide you through Kyoto's serene gardens. Let the rustling leaves serenade you. Let the soft moss under your feet remind you of the comfort of being in love. Let the tranquil ponds reflect your shared dreams. Let the vibrant cherry blossoms inspire passion. And remember, sometimes love is just a leaf away.